Biodiversity and its importance. Biodiversity refers to variety of life on Earth, including the diversity of species, ecosystem, and genetic diversity within between species. It is crucial component of the Earth's natural system and provide numerous benefits and services that support well-being. Here are some key reasons why biodiversity is important. Point number 1. Ecosystem services. Biodiversity provide a range of ecosystem services such as pollination, pest control and nutrient cycling, which are essential for the functioning of ecosystem and human survival. For example, bees and other pollinators play a critical role in production of food as they pollinate crop and enable the reproduction of plant. Point number 2. Economic benefits. Biodiversity provides significant economic benefits including food, medicine and raw material for industries such as agriculture, forestry and pharmaceuticals. These industries depend upon the genetic diversity of plant and animal species to develop new crops, medicine and products. Point number 3. Cultural importance. Biodiversity is also important for cultural and spiritual reasons as many societies have traditional practices and beliefs that are closely tied to the natural world. The loss of the biodiversity can have significant impact on cultural heritage and identity. Point number 4. Climate regulation. Biodiversity play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate as forests and other ecosystems store carbon and help to mitigate the impact of the climate change. Loss of biodiversity can lead to release of carbon into atmosphere and exacerbate the impact of climate change. Point number 5. Conservation of genetic diversity. Genetic diversity within and between species is essential for the adaptation and resilience in the face of environmental change. Conserving genetic diversity through preservation of wild species and their habitat is important for the long-term survival of species and the health of the ecosystem. Despite its importance, biodiversity is under threat from human activities such as habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation. It is important to develop sustainable management practices and policies to protect and preserve the biodiversity and ensure that it's continue to provide the critical benefits and services that support life on Earth.